Ever found yourself scrolling through messages, hunting for a payment confirmation? With HDFC Bank NetBanking, there's no second guessing. You can check, verify, and download your entire payment history. Plus, you can do it right from home. No need to visit a branch or ATM. Need to check if a payment went through? Follow these 5 steps. Log into HDFC Bank NetBanking. Go to Accounts and select Account Statement. Filter by transaction type, credit, debit, or all. If you need something specific, just type in the merchant's name or keyword to find it instantly. Download statements in PDF or Excel to maintain secure records. For your privacy and security, please note that your PDF account statements are password protected. Other formats will also have similar protection soon. Stay on top of bills, refunds, and EMIs. Plus, digital records make taxes and audits simpler and disputes easier to resolve. Smart banking starts with smart tracking. Log into HDFC Bank NetBanking and get your full payment history in just a few clicks.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.